Hello and welcome to KraftyLab, where teams connect through innovative and virtual experiences. Let's get crafty! Are you looking for some good, clean fun? Well, roll up your sleeves and prepare to lather up. In this hands-on class, your team will learn all about the art of soap making while awakening their senses with an array of essential oils. As they create their own custom soaps, your team also will benefit from plenty of engaging conversation and team bonding. With the guidance of our expert soaper, aka soap maker, teams will melt a soap base, then add scents and colorants, creating a personalized aromatic soap from start to finish. Our kit includes all the ingredients and materials your team will need for this activity. Please note that participants will need access to a microwave or a stovetop as part of the process. To secure your spot, click Book Now, schedule a call, or send us an inquiry.